The main structural components of a hydraulic Mini-X are track frame with tracks, upper structure or house with 360-degree slew rotation, boom with independent swing, arm or dipper, bucket or attachment, blade and a canopy or cab. Tracks provide operational benefits, and independent track controls provide excellent maneuverability. Some models have a retractable track feature to reduce the overall width temporarily and allow the Mini-X to access narrow areas to get to the worksite. The operator's handbook is located next to the operator's seat. It's another convenient reference for anyone operating the Mini-X. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to ask your supervisor. Safety first. There are a number of things you will have to know and rules you need to work by when operating the Mini-X. Know the limitations and operating characteristics of the Mini-X. Never overload it. Always wear the seat belt if equipped. If the Mini-X is equipped with a foldable TOPS ROPS, do not fasten the seat belt when the TOPS ROPS is in the down position. All mini excavators have a secondary opening for an emergency exit, usually to the back of the driver. Always have all shields and guards properly installed before operating the machine. Inspect the machine and all attachments before each use as specified by the manufacturer and your employer supervisor. Ensure attachments are properly installed. Read and understand all safety signs installed on the machine. Know the location of other personnel and machines and make sure they are a safe distance from the machine. Know the worksite. Be aware of possible hazards that you may encounter. We will go through personal bystander hazards in more detail later in the module. Take a look around the machine to see if there are any loose or damaged parts that will make operating it hazardous. Look for oil leaks, other fluids dripping, loose control cables and linkages, damaged tracks, or other potential problems. Find your fire extinguisher location and check the engine lubricant and coolant levels. These are standard operating procedures for using any piece of construction equipment. So make a habit of giving any machine you operate, from a lawnmower to a bulldozer, a once-over before cranking it. It's impossible to cover every situation you could encounter using the Mini-X. But by following good safety practices and using good judgment, you will protect yourself and others around you. Before arriving on the job site, know the capabilities and limitations of your equipment. Keep your equipment serviced and know your job requirements. Before you begin any job, be sure the Mini-X is in good operating condition. Follow daily inspection guidelines found in the Operation and Maintenance Manual and on the Service Schedule decal. Keep the excavator properly maintained. Once you have completed the daily checks and performed the required services, you are ready to check the job site. Know the terrain and ground conditions at the site. Be sure the machine is equipped with the proper bucket size or other approved attachments for the job. You will need the proper personal safety equipment, including hearing protection, if required. See your local rules and consult your supervisor. Helmet, work boots, and safety glasses. Check to make sure you have shoring equipment if required. Be aware of potential job site hazards, including overhead wires or underground utilities. Always call before you dig.